In my culture, in my family, there's very high expectations of like who you need to be and what you need to do to get there. Being able to have a place to go to with resources, with people who are going through the same struggles and are facing the same situations you are, has been really helpful.
The mission of camp is to provide support to migrant students within their first year of college.
The camp program supports a cohort of 35 students each year. They have to be from migrant background or seasonal farm working status. So when they're in the program, we make sure that they have financial aid, that they apply to scholarships.
They're able to motivate you, they're able to help you out with scholarships, transcripts, with classes.
So I make sure students are enrolled into classes, are passing their classes, and just making sure they receive the support that they need, especially because the transition from high school to college is very difficult.
We also take students to field trips.
I had the chance to go to Chicago for free because of the camp program, doing a rope course because of the camp program. These are things that I wouldn't have been able to do if it weren't for them.
They take you to a bunch of like fun places. We did Wings Over Washington, which was a pretty cool experience. It was my first time.
We have this camp family kind of going on, and so our second, third year students, they still feel comfortable coming to us.
And honestly, the environment you're into, like your cohort, it's a fun group to be in. So like, also connect if you do end up joining camp, just connect with everyone.
We know that we're gonna stay together for these 2 years and hopefully we all graduate together. So I feel like these friendships are definitely something that are gonna stay for the rest of my life.
Sometimes it's not what you know, it's who you know. And so just knowing someone at the college is having a connection here is going to help you big time. If they are successful in their pathways and careers, then they can support their family in the future.
Do it. Whatever you got in mind that you want to do, I just say do it.
You know, it never hurts to try. Not everyone gets the same opportunities you do. So I'm really grateful for that, and I feel really privileged to be part of the camp program.